Hello everybody and welcome to my 55th VBA 2010 tutorial, and this tutorial is going to show you how to use text boxes on your worksheets. So again, we need to go into design mode, and I'm just going to drag the submit button down here and then go to insert, and then we want to go down to this box down here, which is text box with the little AB on it. Click that and highlight it across like this, and then that's going to give us a text box that when we come out of design mode, the user can type in just like this. And if we go back into design mode and click on this and go into our properties, the first thing I'm going to do is just change our font size up, so bold 14, and then that's going to be that. What you can also do is you can have a link cell, so if I put in a reference to a cell in here, so sheet 1 A1, and then that box then is going to be equal to whatever's in A1. So we put something in A1, it changes, and if we change something in here, then A1 changes. So that could be quite useful. But what we're going to do with this now is I'm going to show you how to take the value of this out into your code. So in design mode, let's give this a box. So put username underscore text box, and then let's copy that, and then on our submit button in our code in here, let's get rid of this, and then all I want to do is create a variable, so dim username as string, and then username equals, and I want this workbook dot sheet 1 dot, and then we want the name of our text box and then dot value. What that's going to do is it's going to look in our workbook and then at our sheet, and then within that sheet we could take the text box and then the value. Make sure when naming your text boxes that you don't name them the same as any sheets or as the workbook, because then you can get saving violations and you can lose all your work, which is a massive pain in your ass. And it's happened to me a few times before when I haven't noticed that I've called them the same thing. So just make sure you don't get any violations like that. And then let's just make a message box that says, hello username, your request will now be processed. So let's close this down, come out of design mode. So let's fill in our name here, so Matt Sands, and then submit, and then hello Matt Sands, your request will now be processed. So that is how you use a text box. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. And the next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a box with a drop down in it. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.